In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do side-by-side button in Card. By the end, you'll have a clean pair of buttons that sit neatly next to each other, ready to guide visitors to your most important links. Start by heading to the Card website and going to your dashboard. Once you're in, open the project where you want these buttons to live. This brings you into the Builder, where we'll add and style everything. Inside the Builder, click Add and choose Buttons. This inserts a Buttons element, which is designed specifically to hold multiple buttons in a single block. It's the easiest way to get a horizontal side-by-side layout without fussing with columns or complicated spacing. You'll see one button appear by default. Next, open the button settings by clicking the small arrow to expand its options. Here you can change the label to something clear and action-oriented, like Get Started or Contact. Add your link, whether it's an external URL or another section on the page. If the link goes off-site, it's often a good idea to set it to open in a new tab so visitors don't lose your page. While you're here, adjust the appearance to match your brand. Choose the style, size, color, border radius, and hover behavior. Keeping consistent padding and a readable font weight will help the button feel balanced and professional. When your first button looks right, click Add at the bottom of the Buttons panel to create a second button in the same block. This automatically places it alongside the first one. Customize this new button just like the first. Set its label, link, and visual style. A helpful pattern is to make one a primary action and the other a secondary action by using slightly different fills or outlines. Also keep an eye on color contrast so both buttons remain legible and accessible. When you're done, click Done to commit your changes. Now position the Buttons element on your page by clicking and dragging it where you want it to appear. If you want a centered look, drop it into a section with centered alignment or use the element's alignment and spacing controls to fine-tune the placement. The Buttons element manages spacing between the buttons for you, and on smaller screens, Card will stack them vertically, so your design stays responsive without extra work. That's all there is to it. You've added a Buttons element, customized each button, added a second one to sit side by side, and placed the block exactly where it belongs. Clean, simple, and effective.